And forbidden was such a harsh word.
That's how they talk in England. Very harshly.
Oh, so you should have fired back if he was English. Just like dental work is forbidden in England. Aye. Looks like that could be a good chance to dive over there too.
Yeah, it looks really calm. This video is going to be on America's Funniest Cruise.
Nope, because you missed it.
And that's where they'll